We've got 2 Pomeranians. Where are they? Little one there. Fei-ho, where are you? There you are. Maggie's paddling at the moment. Hey? Yeah? Who says Pomeranians don't like water? They're getting used to it, definitely. They're 5 months old, but they're doing so well. We're in Torbay, that's a Brixton. Hey? We're coming into midfoot. There it is. Where are the doggies? Holly, Fei-ho. Fei-ho, yes, I can see your face. Hello, Apong. Apong, I can see her face. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I can see her. Apong! Apong! That's it. There they are. They're coming into midfoot. Ooh.